standard feature video. Today we look at how Disney is developing partnerships with realty developers to build Disney-inspired homes. For 7-year-old Bhavna, it was a dream come true. Her father had just explained he was buying a house in a Disneyland where she could live, play, study and swim along with her favorite characters like Minnie Mouse, Goofy and Cinderella. While plans for an actual Disneyland in India are still to materialize, the $42.3 billion global entertainment giant Walt Disney is out to recreate some of the magic through first-of-its-kind licensing. Disney is an intrinsic part of everyone's growing years. This is an exciting phase in the development of our business in India, says Roshni Bakshi, Managing Director, Consumer Products, Publishing and Retail at the Walt Disney Company, India. After its characters-inspired merchandise, spanning FMCG and apparels, Disney, for the first time in the world, is extending its license to developers. It was the world's largest licensor with $1 billion in retail sales of character merchandise in 2012. Disney has been in India for the last decade, and industry sources estimate that Disney's consumer business retail has grown 10 times to Rs 1,200 crore in 2011 and 2012. The latest licensing agreement saw Disney sign Akshaya, the Chennai-based developer, to build a residential project along the IT corridor of Chennai. Young parents, apart from thousands of kids, are clearly the ones Disney is targeting this time. Once the project is completed, it will have around 2,000 to 2,500 children inside the township. The houses, play areas, shopping zones, clubhouses, swimming pools, schools, and even healthcare centers will all sport Disney themes. Disney's move could, of course, inspire many more developers into imitating the themes without making any legitimate agreements. But Bakshi says the breadth of characters available to its licensed partners will be unmatched. As for the agreement, Akshaya will get access to no less than 8,000 to 8,500 licensed characters of Disney. It won't be the only children's area such as the kids' bedrooms, which will be kitted with Disney characters. Everything from Mickey Mouse-shaped swimming pools, street lights, bath fittings to kitchenware will sport Disney mascots, says T. Chittibabu, Managing Director of Akshaya, because adults too have grown up and enjoy Disney stories. Disney has signed 4 such deals with real estate developers in Kolkata, Delhi and Mumbai besides Chennai, and is scouting for more partners. Of the 4, the Chennai project Universe will be the largest, spread over 100 acres. The other 3 projects are Suntech in Mumbai, Team Taurus in Kolkata and Supertech in Delhi. Bakshi says the idea is to take the brand and Disney characters closer to people. The idea of real estate licensing emerged from a lot of consumer research. Disney's role, besides licensing, will be to provide the look and feel to creatives. The developers, architects and designers would then have to work within the guidelines of what it should look like. The current licensing agreement with Akshaya is for 4 years, with Disney planning to bring in more of its recent imagery like Iron Man and Spider-Man into future housing projects as well. That's all for today. Thank you.